apps affairs show you.
How to set up contact poster in iOS 17. So if you're a iOS 17 users and now you want to set up a contact poster, here's how to do it. Launch the phone app or contact app on your iPhone, and here you will get my card. Just tap here. Now tap on contact photo and poster and make sure to enable name and photo sharing option. And after that, go back from here, and to set up a contact poster, tap on edit at the top right corner and tap on edit. To create a new contact poster, tap on this plus icon, and now here you will get total 4 different options to create a new contact poster. You can instantly capture a photo to make a contact poster, or you can upload a photo from your iPhone gallery to make a contact poster, or you can use a memoji to make poster. Also, you can use monogram to create a poster. Now let's upload an image to make a poster. Now select a photo from your gallery. Once the photo added, you can pinch your 2 fingers to zoom in or zoom out the photo like this. Now if you want to add some effects to the image, you can swipe to the left to add effects. Tap on your name, and now you can change your poster name font from here. You can make your font bold using this slider. You can change your font text color. Once you're happy, just tap on done. And here you can see my poster has been created. Tap on continue. And you can add a contact photo from here. You can upload a different photo from here. Once done, just tap on done. And that's it. This is how we can set up contact poster in iPhone iOS 17. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.